Ching, chapter 37. The Tao never does anything. Tao is way, the way of nature. So the Tao never does anything, yet through it all things are done. If powerful men and women could venture themselves in it, the whole world would be transformed by itself in its natural rhythms. People would be content with their simple everyday lives in harmony and free of desire. When there is no desire, all things are at peace. So desire is like an ego, beyond the nature's way. Imagination is power. There's a saying by Anton de Saint-Exupéry, "Here is my secret. It is very simple." This is in the book The Little Prince. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Thank you. Let's make the invisible to be visible, unconscious to be conscious, in the nature's way prevailing, our heart at the center. And enjoy life.